Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this basic granny square. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm having a purple 4-ply yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. The yarn and hook are not important for this project. So I'm creating a magic ring and chain 3, 2 double crochets, and then chain 2, 3 double crochets on magic ring. So we are going to do this chain 2 and 3 double crochet 2 more times. So altogether 4 sets of 3 double crochets in between chain 2. So I work chain 2 and then 3 more double crochets. So we've worked 3 sets of 3 double crochets. So I'm working my last set of 3 double crochets on magic ring, then chain 2 and then slip stitch on top of chain 3. That is our starting chain 3 to close this row. So now I'll be working a slip stitch on top of chain 3. So chain 2, slip stitch on top of chain 3. So we have 4 sets of 3 double crochets separated by chain 2 for our row 1. So now I'm doing a slip stitch. So my row 1 is complete. So for starting to work with row 2, we have to go to the corner chain 2 space. For that I will be working slip stitch on the stitches, 2 double crochets, and then one more slip stitch on the chain 2 space to start working on the corner. So then chain 3, 2 double crochets on the chain 2 space, and then chain 2, 3 double crochets on the chain 2 space. So each and every corner we will be working 2 sets of 3 double crochets separated by chain 2, and then in the middle, once this is done, we'll work chain 2 to go to chain 1 to go to the other side. Now our 2 sets of 3 double crochet is complete. Chain 1, again in the corner we'll work 2 sets of 3 double crochets separated by chain 2. So I'm working my first set and then chain 2 and 3 more double crochets on the chain 2 space, and then chain 1, chain 1, 3 double crochets on the chain 2 space, chain 2 and 3 double crochets on the chain 2 space. So this is the last set I am working. And then chain 1, slip stitch on top of the starting chain 3, and then this row will be done. So we'll start working the third row. So like we have done for row 2, we need to go to the corner chain 2 space. So we will work slip stitch 3 times to reach the corner chain 2 space. Chain 3, 2 double crochets and chain 2, 3 double crochets on the chain 2 space. So all the corner chain 2 spaces we will be working 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 more double crochets, and then chain 1, chain 1. In the middle chain 1 space we will work 3 double crochets, and then chain 1. In the corner chain 2 space 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1. In the corner chain 2 space 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. So you must have an idea by now how this granny square pattern works. So there is no limitation on number of rows you would work. So if you want, you can buy a thick yarn, work a rug with this pattern, or you can buy a baby yarn and work a baby blanket to the desired number of rows that you will need. So I've created a rug using this pattern. So I've done about 11 rows in that rug, which I will post at the end of this video. So the possibilities with this pattern are endless. So you can just play around. So this goes the same way till your desired length or rows. Chain 1, and in the center chain 1 space we will work a 3 double crochets, and then join with the slip stitch on top of starting chain 3 to end this round. So I've created chain 1 in between, and then I'm doing a slip stitch on top of the starting chain 3. You can secure your yarn with a knot and you can cut off the excess yarn. So our simple purple color basic granny square pattern is ready. You can, if you wish, you can continue working around until your desired length. You can work a placemat, coaster, or baby blanket, or even a rug. So this is the rug I have created using this pattern. I've worked 11 rows and I've attached pom-pom at the corners. So it's totally up to you. You can play around with this pattern. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thank you.